Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bootable Linux Mint USB. First, you will need to download the Linux Mint ISO file from their official website. Next, prepare a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Then, download a reliable USB imaging tool like Bootable Etcher. Finally, use the tool to write the ISO to your USB drive, making it bootable. To begin, visit the official Linux Mint website and download the ISO file for your preferred desktop environment, such as Cinnamon. Simultaneously, download a free and user-friendly USB imaging tool like Bootable Etcher. These two files are essential for creating your bootable USB. Make sure your internet connection is stable for smooth downloads. Now, insert your USB drive into an available port on your computer. Open Bootable Etcher, then click to select the Linux Mint ISO file you downloaded. Next, carefully choose your USB drive as the target device. Double-check that you have selected the correct drive, as this process will erase all its contents. Finally, click the Flash button to begin writing the image. Once the flashing process is complete, restart your computer with the newly created bootable USB still inserted. As your computer starts, you will need to enter your BIOS or UEFI settings, usually by pressing a key like F2, F10, F12, or Delete. Change the boot order to prioritize your USB drive. Save and exit, then follow the on-screen prompts to install Linux Mint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.